In the last class, we discussed about the seven features of entrepreneur. Now let us know the eighth characteristic feature of entrepreneur. It is desire for high achievement. The entrepreneur always desires for high reaching goals. He suppresses hurdles, that means obstacles or any disadvantages and misfortunes, and run successful business. So he is the desired person for receiving high achievement. Ninth one is known as highly optimistic. There are two types of human being. One is known as optimistic and pessimistic. So the entrepreneur always had the quality of optimism. That means he creates favorable situations in future, problem solver and troubleshooter, and he is always having the optimistic ideas. The tenth one is known as independence. He did not follow others. That means the entrepreneur should not follow the others. He should have the creativity of thinking, and he is independent in all matter of the business. The 11th one is known as foresight. The entrepreneur expect future. He visualize the changes in business environment. Now let us know what are known as business environment. That is the study of market, consumer activities, attitudes, technical developments that took place timely in the business, and the entrepreneur is the good foresight, and the assumptions were made by the entrepreneur, and the actions will be taken accordingly by the entrepreneur. Now let us know the functions of the entrepreneur. So the first function is known as formation of new producing organization. The entrepreneur rationally combine the forces of production into a new producing organization. It is nothing but innovation. We have already discussed. Innovation is the main feature, and it is also comes under the function of entrepreneur. So the decision making is the another function of the entrepreneur. Ascertaining the objective of the enterprise, and he took sources of finance. He mixed the products, and it is known as product mix. Pricing policies, pricing decision will be taken by the entrepreneur, and the promotion strategies, appropriate technology utilization depends upon the entrepreneur's view. So it is the another function of the entrepreneur. Innovation. So innovation means doing new thing or doing of things that are already being done in a new way. It is nothing but creativity, innovation, using modern trends and techniques, and increasing the product, increasing the productivity, reducing the cost of goods and everything. So entrepreneurs are must for rapid industrialization and economic development. Next, management. He is the manager. So the entrepreneur acts as the manager, and he is ready to take managing functions, that is production of plans, providing raw materials, providing physical facilities, production facilities, organizing and managing sales. And fifth one, risk bearing. Risk taking is the characteristic feature of entrepreneur. He guarantees interest to creditors, wages to labor, and rent to the landholder. And all for all the four factors of production, he is ready to pay. For land, he gives returns as a rent. For labor, he will give wages or salaries. And for capital, interest, he is ready to pay the interest. And finally, he is ready to take risk, either profit or loss. Next, supervision, control and direction is the another function of entrepreneur. He assembles all the means of production, turning out maximum output at a minimum cost and to supervise the work. So he controls the flow of goods, finance and machinery. He controls the activities of the employees with the service rules. The entrepreneur keep the organization constantly on the path of its objectives. Next, seventh one is known as planning. He plans for future. He prepares a scheme of proposed project in a formal systematic approach, and he grants legal sanction for the venture. The entrepreneur performs the following major functions, which are known as exchange function: perceiving opportunities in the market, obtaining scarce resources. Scarce means all the resources are having alternative uses, and we are having scarce resources means limited resources. Buying inputs, marketing of products, and reacting to competition. These are all the functions of the entrepreneur. Administration functions. He deals with the public bureaucracy, that means officials. Employee management. He took care of management and employee management. Supplier management and customer management duties are the functions of, and they are called as administration functions. Next, third one, management and control functions. Those are financial management and production management and factory control are another functions of the entrepreneur. Last one, technological functions. Technology means improving the production within short period. The word technology derived from techniques and logos. Acquiring machinery and equipment, industrial engineering, product and process improvement, introduction of new production techniques and products are known as the technological functions. That's all.